Now over here is a really simple setup. Just a little 12-volt operated faucet. Turn on, turn off. If there's water in there, it just pumps it out. And down below here, let's see if I can get it open. Hold the camera steady. Bear with me for a minute. Really simple. Fresh water in the blue. Gray water goes into the green. And just pumps it out. This one takes it in. When it gets full, just go dump it. Really simple. The little 12-volt pump was only like about 10 bucks. And the faucet was maybe 20. And of course, you can get these at Walmart. Remember, guys and gals, keep it simple. Who wants to waste or spend a lot of money just to go camping and be lumbered with payments and all that good stuff? Okay, I'm going to show you some more parts of the trailer. Now, here's a little touch we added when you just want to come in and chill. This accent lighting that goes around the whole ceiling of the trailer. And you can kind of relax before you go back out and go fishing or whatever you want to do, bike riding. But you can also, change all the colors and everything on it. I think it's kind of cool. I'll show you the sofa sleeper. But first of all, let's put some lighting on the subject. I also have a 120 volt LED lamp up here. I need to get it on. This is basically where we sit and enjoy ourselves. And it opens out to a bed and also has storage. Storage is like this. You just lift this open, put that like that, and you can take this rope, hook it back here like this, and it keeps it up. So you can store stuff underneath there, which works out great. You got to make use of all your space when you're building these things. This thing can store a lot of stuff underneath there. Now for sleeping, I'm not going to pull it all the way out, but I will show you what it looks like when it's pulled out. We use these for pillows. All we do is these two cushions become the bed. And it's on a slat system where you pull the pins and it just slides out. So it's a slide out bed. I'll show you some photos of it. Now this is where customization comes in right here. I went in and added about another 8 inches. That way I'm 6'2", so when I lay down, my head's here and my feet can go here, and the rest of it from here comes out to about here. So my wife can sleep here. But now, as far as sleeping arrangements go, here's the kicker. We have a table here that we use for dining. It's adjustable, height adjustable. So it's used for dining, a coffee table, or whatever. But when my grandson comes, we take the table, lay it flat right in this area. These go like bed stands, go underneath the table to raise it off the floor. And this cushion is his bed. And he sleeps pretty comfortably on that cushion. So you got to think everything out and make everything to your liking. Of course, we got the stereo speakers here to go with stereo, with storage. Flat screen TV. It's only a 24-inch, but the thing I like about it is, no matter where you are in the trailer, you can always swivel it out to watch it, or if you're at the back, you can swivel it out, which comes in handy. Swivel it out this way. If you're in the kitchen, we also let's hook up a fire stick to it so we can stream Hulu and all that good stuff. You guys know the deal. But normally, we just keep it in the flat position right against the wall like that. Now, our next video, we're going to go ahead and showcase our homemade DIY sleeping arrangements. I think you're going to like this, and stick around for this one. Follow us.